before you start playing around with these strategies, is to know that trading is a game when you're never satisfied. Because if I buy here and it goes down, I won't be happy. If I buy here and I sell here, but the market goes up, I still will not be happy. So if I buy here and I sell here, I will still not be happy because I didn't bet twice as much on it. I would have said, okay, I should have had a bigger position. So realize that trading is the business when you're never happy. There's no such thing as perfect, buy here, buy there, sell there. It doesn't exist. So that's my strategy. I'll go and take a profit, that's it. I may follow this market and then say, okay, I will look for an opportunity later, but I don't have to chase it. And that's why I come to rules-based being so close to my character, because I don't have to worry what the market will do. I will wait for it to come to my conditions rather than me to chase it around, trying to guess what it does.